Water, or H2O, is made up of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. We use water every day. We drink it, we take showers in it, we wash our hands with it. There are so many uses for water every day. But not everyone has the luxury of clean water, like us. 1 in 3 people in the world don't have access to clean water. That is about 884 million people. The World Wildlife Fund says that by 2025, 2/3 of the world will face water scarcity. Thankfully, there are simple things that we can do to save water. 1. Take shorter showers. 2. Turn off the tap when brushing your teeth. 3. Check for leaks on the toilet, faucet, and other places. 4. Plant cacti. There are so many more ways that you can help save water, so do your part and we can help get water to people who need it. Water can easily get polluted because it's the universal solvent, meaning many things can dissolve into it and it can carry harmful chemicals and other pollutants that if we ingest, it will make us very sick. These problems don't just happen in Africa, India, or Europe. It also happens in America. In 2014, Flint, Michigan had a water crisis. Their water got contaminated by lead from the pipes. The people of Flint had to use bottled water to do everything like washing their hands, washing their food, and basically a lot of washing. Flint isn't the only area in America that had water contamination issues. Toledo, Ohio, Wilmington, North Carolina, and Yonkers, New York all suffered from different types of water contamination. Our entire world is mostly covered with water, so you might be wondering, if we have so much water, then how come there's a water scarcity in some places? Well, 97% of the water is salt water, which we can't drink without getting sick, and the remaining 3% of fresh water is not all accessible. Most of it is trapped in glaciers and snowfields, water vapor, groundwater, and lakes and rivers. This means that only 1% is left for us. Thankfully, we have the water cycle that replenishes water for us. Did you know that because of the water cycle, we have the same amount of water we did in ancient times? That means that the water that we use every day could be also used by the Mayans or other ancient civilizations. We also have another problem at our hands. Animals and plants are also getting affected. Example, if you have polluted water in the groundwater and the tree is getting cohesion and adhesion to get water to it and up the trunk, this could possibly be hurting the tree. Some things that impact water are nitrogen, phosphorus, sediment, lead, runoff, pH, decayed organic materials, pesticides, oil, carbon dioxide, oxygen, sulfur dioxide, and chlorine. Water is put through the process where sewer waters get turned into clean water that we can drink. First, the big chunks of trash get filtered out and taken away. Then they put chlorine in it to kill germs, but not too much that it's harmful for people. Water is essential for the survival of all living things, and we have a finite amount of it, so it is important to conserve and use it wisely.